Welcome to Mrs. V's classroom. Today we're going to be doing an introduction to equations. In today's video, you will learn the difference between equations and expressions and understand how to check if an equation is right or wrong by putting in numbers for letters. Firstly, let's recap what an equation actually is. An equation is a special math sentence that tells us two things are equal. It has two parts on either side of the equal sign. Here are a few examples of equations. Let's also recap what expressions are. An expression is a collection of pronumerals, numbers, and operators on either side of the equal sign. For example, 3x plus 6x on the left-hand side is an expression, and 10x minus x on the right-hand side is also an example of an expression. Together, they make up an equation. Equations do not always have to be true. Here are some examples of false equations where the left-hand side does not equal the right-hand side. Let's do some practice. Which of the following are equations? 4 plus 3 equals 7, 6 plus 5, 6a plus 5a, or 2u plus t equals 30. If you said that a and d are examples of equations, then you are correct. C and B are not examples of equations as they do not have an equal sign after the expression. Let's now practice classifying equations as true or false. If we have an equation 5 plus 6 equals 11, then we need to solve the equation first to determine if it is true or false. 5 plus 6 give us 11, therefore the equation is true because the left-hand side equals the right-hand side. Let's solve this next equation. Starting on the left-hand side, 3 times 3 is 9, and 5 plus 4 is 9. Therefore, this equation is also true. And lastly, 5 times 2 is 10, and 12 plus 3 is 15. Therefore, the right-hand side is not equal to the left-hand side, and this equation is false. When we have equations with pronumerals, and we know its value, we can substitute this into the equation to test whether it is true or false. For example, if a is 5, then we would need to substitute in the number 5 where the pronumeral a is written. Remember, 6a means 6 times a. Therefore, 6 times 5 is 30, plus 6 is 36. Therefore, this equation is true. In another example, if a equals 10 and b equals 2, we would solve the following by substituting in the value of the pronumeral into the equation. If we solve the equation, we would get 2 times 10 plus 5 is 25, and 10 times 2 minus 4 is 16. Therefore, if a is 10 and b is 2, this equation is false. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel.